Hi, I'm Rhiannon from BBQ Spit Rotisseries. I'm going to show you through our range of Parrilla grills, commonly also referred to as Argentinian grills, Asado grills, and Santa Maria grills. So the first one I wanted to show you here is the smallest of our freestanding units. So it comes complete, as you see. It's got the tray here. It also has a charcoal pan for you to be able to put your wood. The grill here is all in 304 stainless steel, and the great thing about this grill is the V shape. Now what that does is when you're putting your meat onto the grill, as it's dripping fat and oil, it channels down these V's into the little drip tray here. It just stops you from getting any flare-ups when you're cooking. Now this size grill is great for a small family. As you can see there, you've got quite a bit of surface area. From a cooking size, you've got about 57 centimeters by 52 centimeters, and that allows you to have maybe some hot spots and cold spots depending on what you're cooking. It's all fully height adjustable. I'll show you how that works. So as you can see here, the crank wheel on the side just allows the grill to go up and down as well. And you can stop it in any position you like just by putting the stop handle there. Moving along to our next size up, similar concept. You've got the stainless steel grill with the V shapes, you've got the crank wheel for height adjustment up and down, but it is a larger grill. So with this one, you've got a cooking area of 87 centimeters by 52 centimeters back. So it's great for cooking for larger groups of people and functions. The other difference between this one is that it's got the cabinet to it as well. So as you can see here, it's got the wood storage rack. You can access your fire through these front panels here. And it's also got the drawer for cleaning out your ash as well. Now, looking into the actual belly of the Parrilla grill, you can see it's lined with Firebricks on the side. Now, the great thing about that is going to help with heat management because those Firebricks will help retain heat. Now, the great thing about those ribs is that as your fire is burning and the charcoal will fall through into the bottom tray, it will just stop your fire from being smothered. Now, moving along to the largest of our Parrilla grills, the cooking area of this one is 113 centimeters across and 50 centimeters deep. Same V-shaped grills. You've got plenty of wood storage space under there with some heavy duty wheels to move it around. Crank handle to adjust the height up and down. The difference though is that this one has the charcoal pan inside. So again, that just helps you clean it out when you're done cooking. So there are 3 freestanding units. We also have 2 models which are designed to be built in or to be popped on top of an existing barbecue. So this is the smallest of our built-in grill. It measures 50 centimeters across and 34 centimeters deep. So that's actual grill size. You've got the stainless steel V-shaped grill rungs with the drip pan. Again, it's all fully height adjustable, which is really handy during the cooking process if you're going to be doing your steaks or your asado ribs, chicken, etc. It's just got the frame there, as you can see, so you can put that on top of an existing barbecue. You could put it on the ground if you wanted to and cook over an open fire, or you could integrate it into a bricked in barbecue as well. And the last of our Parrilla grills is this one here. It measures 108 centimeters across grilling area by 34 centimeters front to back. So this is going to give you quite a bit more cooking area. It is designed to be built in, or just like the smaller one I mentioned there, cook over an open fire directly onto the ground or on top of an existing barbecue. All of them are fully height adjustable. As you can see, you've got the wires here holding on either side, and it's as easy as just winding the crank wheel up and down and then locking it into the desired height. Thanks for watching.